Go.
Okay, so one thing in this semester in Chinese that we learned about is 书包里有什么 what is in the school bag. One sentence that I learned is 书包里有课本. That is the school bag has a workbook inside.
Okay. 下一个模句 What did you learn this semester?
I learned about stationery in Chinese.
Uh-huh.
Like for example, 本子 is like textbook.
Uh-huh. Okay, next one. Neve, what are you gonna talk about?
And this semester I have learned about colors.
Okay.
One sentence that I learned is 我喜欢黄色 means I like the color yellow.
Okay. Dom?
So I learned what's in the classroom.
Uh-huh.
And one thing I know, like in the classroom is like the classroom has like many tables.
Uh-huh. 教室里有
Chairs. Yeah.
教室里有桌子。
教室里有桌子和椅子。
Okay. Matt?
I learned about fruit.
Uh-huh.
And for example, pink was the apple.
One more?
And
Banana is 香蕉 and 葡萄
香蕉 is banana.
葡萄 is grapes. Yes, good job. And drum?
My favorite topic is like animals.
动物 animals. Yes. 你喜欢什么动物？我喜欢
狗狗。
我喜欢
我喜欢狗狗，我喜欢鸭子。
鸭子。Okay, good job, guys. Say 谢谢，再见。
谢谢，再见。
Okay, 再见。